We're so excited that you have downloaded or maybe are considering downloading the Marketplace app. The Huggery Marketplace allows you to find local businesses that are in these categories: nurseries, landscapers, gardeners, organics, florists, and botanicals. Welcome businesses, and if you're a consumer, you're using the Marketplace app to find these local businesses around you. Favorite them, keep buying from them, support them. We want local businesses to win here. If you're a business, check out our walkthrough videos for the business app as well as delivery app.